Hello students, today our topic of discussion is impact of waste accumulation for class 9 environmental education. Here you can see waste accumulation on the ground. Introduction. Industrial and agricultural units produce huge amount of waste every day. Agricultural activities which use fertilizers and insecticides intoxicate not only soil but also waterways. Domestic wastes are also responsible for polluting land and water. Domestic waste pollutes the land very badly, spoiling the landscape and resulting into spread of epidemics and diseases. Solid wastes are generally incinerated openly. This causes severe air pollution and affects the health of the people. There is a need to treat every kind of waste, whether it is solid waste, sewerage or effluents from the industries, before it is let out into the air, water or land. Stringent acts need to be enacted and different actions should be taken against the individuals and corporate neglecting such norms. Now let us see what is waste accumulation. The gradual increasing pace of wastes in air, water and land is called waste accumulation. Industrial activities, agricultural activities and domestic activities are mainly responsible behind waste accumulation. There are some impacts of waste accumulation. It spoils the landscape, it causes different types of pollutions, it causes health hazards, and it damages terrestrial and aquatic life. Spoilage of landscape. Domestic garbage which are thrown outside on the road keeps piling there, sometimes for days, until the municipal cleaners come and pick up them. Residents also have a tendency to throw away the domestic waste to nearby vacant plots or parks. This spoils the landscape of the locality. The heaps of garbage become the breeding points of flies, mosquitoes and bacteria and cause the spread of diseases. Animals like pigs, cows, dogs, bulls visit such places in search of food. These animals add to the waste with their excreta. These animals are also threat to the children. Sometimes garbage blocks the road fully or partially. We also spoil the beauty of the parks by dumping our garbage there. The effluents from the units, industrial units, are in the form of acids, alkalis, salts and traces of metals and their oxides. These are all toxic materials and destroy the environment. What steps we should take to prevent such waste accumulation? So let us see. We must collect our garbage in covered bins and transfer it to the garbage collectors. In cases where garbage collectors are not available, the residents of that area can collectively contribute a nominal fee to keep private garbage collectors. We must keep our surroundings clean. We must not discard empty cartons, wrappers, peels of fruits, used plastic cans and glasses carelessly. Places of historical and archaeological importance and pilgrimage must be kept clean. Lakes and water bodies where water sports facilities exist should also be handled with care. We should we should not leave any kind of litter after we have enjoyed our time there. So this is this much we have learned today about the effects or impacts of waste accumulation in our surrounding. Thank you for listening.